wide, warm-lit classroom with students using tablets and holographic projections above desks. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it will transform the educational landscape for students in 2026. Visible on screens. As we look ahead, AI tools are set to revolutionize the way students learn, collaborate, and achieve their academic goals. Let's explore some of the most promising AI innovations that will guide students in 2026. First up, we have personalized learning assistants. Imagine an AI that tailors educational content to each student's unique learning style and pace. These assistants will analyze performance data, identify strengths and weaknesses, and provide customized resources to enhance understanding. With real-time feedback, students will receive instant support, making learning more efficient and enjoyable. Next, let's talk about AI-powered study companions. These intelligent tools will help students organize their study schedules, set reminders, and even quiz them on key concepts. By utilizing machine learning algorithms, these companions will adapt to the students' progress, ensuring they stay on track. Imagine having a study buddy that's available 24/7, ready to assist whenever you need it. Another groundbreaking innovation is the virtual reality learning environments. In 2026, students will be able to immerse themselves in interactive simulations that bring complex subjects to life. Whether it's exploring the depths of the ocean or walking through historical events, these experiences will deepen understanding and retention. This hands-on approach will not only make learning more engaging, but also foster critical thinking and creativity. Transition to the final AI tool with inspiring visuals. Lastly, we have AI career pathway advisors. These tools will analyze students' interests, skills, and market trends to provide personalized career guidance. By offering insights into potential career paths and ensure to apply everything, including music and a bold subtitle in this video.